Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video on how to create a Cinemagraph video editing just like this. Now play the video and pause at your desired time. Then click on freeze and delete the other clips except the freezed part. Save the video. Go back and undo all the previous actions. Split and delete the unwanted parts of the clips. Now tap PIP and overlay the freezed video. Tap full screen to fit. Tap mask and mask out the clips, leaving only the freezed area. Drag the shadow key to make it smooth. Play the clip and duplicate it multiple times. Now, let's see the final result. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.